All right, guys, we got a special one. 1970 Buick Skylark Convertible, Stage 2 GS clone. If you know about the Stage 1 and Stage 2, they only came in hard tops. They wasn't available in convertibles. So I'm going to read y'all off all the goodies she have, and then we're going to get into the review. She has a 4-year comprehensive frame-off restoration with only 450 test miles, a rebuilt high-performance fuel-injected 455 rated at 600 horsepower, custom performance 3-speed automatic transmission, posi rear end, adjustable coilover suspension, Holly Sniper fuel injected, custom root beer metallic paint, custom fine interior, new white convertible top, new custom convertible boot, wheelwood disc brakes, power steering, detailed chassis and undercarriage, custom 20-inch wheels with custom Buick center caps, custom Stage 2 GSX badging, custom Buick valve covers, Elderbrock Airflow Series air cleaner, gold Elderbrock aluminum intake, aluminum radiator with dual electric fans, aluminum pulleys, Doug's custom headers with custom dual exhaust, ram air induction hood, and all new chrome. The paint is very beautiful. And if you see a mark or something, it could be wiped off or buffed out. If you're looking for a muscle car, this is it. Absolutely beautiful restoration. You can just get in, crank it, and go. Already show car ready. She is absolutely beautiful. Checking out those custom Buick wheels. I sure wish I had a set for my Buick Regal. They bad. As y'all can see, the paint is in excellent condition. Driver's side frame and floor pans is in excellent condition. As y'all can see, everything has been touched underneath. Absolutely beautiful. As y'all can see on the doors, they very solid. Interior is in excellent condition. Very, very beautiful. Has no opportunity. Convertible top functions as it should. Dash is in excellent condition. Deck lid is in excellent condition. And the trunk is in perfect condition. Not gonna find them like this, guys. Don't miss out. Engine bay is absolutely beautiful, guys. She has the O's 455, backed by a 3-speed automatic, power brakes, power steering. I'm gonna take the air cleaner off so y'all guys can see the Holly. She is absolutely beautiful. And that's the Holly Sniper. And it's very reliable. Let's start her up. Y'all gonna enjoy this one. I absolutely love the way Oldsmobile engines sound. I think they're the best sounding engines. Check this out. All the contact information in the description below. Financing available. Don't miss out on this one, guys. She's perfect. Y'all have a good one.